Okay. Fix your
alien antlers.
alien antlers are gonna be
Alien
ears.
antennae.
Right.
So this is his head.
This is his head.
So you just keep that in mind.
I did this pretty thick so I can pull down.
Yeah. And it won't be bumpy.
Yeah. But I want a definite like neck seam for him.
Okay.
So this stuff is really nice and workable, so just smooth it nicely. And I'm going to use my knives back here.
What's the name of that knife again?
This one is different. This is a,
Oh.
I know, I got lots of knives. It's called being a chef.
You do.
This one is a Kyocera, and it is a porcelain blade,
Porcelain blade.
which can be a snag because you actually have to send that in to sharpen.
Oh.
Yeah, but they are fantastic. Okay, I'm not gonna freak out about the back right now.
Neither will we.
Okay, good. Alrighty, so now let's do his face. So let's start with the cheeks. If we were doing this like an animated thing, we'd be able to go like, but you have to just kind of think about it. Okay, so I made kind of a, sorry, I got things in the way. I made kind of a oblong shape. Just try to get these the same.
We have a quick question. Can you tell us how much that big giant can, that container of Decoroma Falcon costs? Do you know what the retail is on that?
I think it's 50.
Okay.
I think.
Ish. Well,
Yeah,
an idea.
try that.
About $50.
Don't kill me if that's wrong.
But that's a lot. That's a lot of fondant in there.
It is a lot. It's more than a Fondex bucket, a big Fondex bucket. Okay, these cheeks might be a little large, but maybe not. Big cheek bunnies are cute, right? Okay, to make sure they don't fall, we're gonna use toothpicks. So we want them down kind of low. Okay,
There we go. Thank you.
sorry,
That's okay.
this is hard to do.
And those are just toothpicks?
Just toothpicks.
Okay.
You want them in pretty darn far because you don't want them to poke through
Yeah.
the fondant. Then, added bonus, we'll take our vodka in our nail polish bottle.
Oh, that's vodka in a nail polish
Coolest
bottle.
thing ever.
Wait, show the camera because that is a really good idea.
You can just get the, you can get a nail polish bottle like this, empty, and then you put vodka or Everclear in it.
Very cool.
Yep.
Love the tips. So the little cheeks
Little
will
cheeks.
adhere to, the fondant will adhere to the fondant.
Right.
Look at that. Pretty darn cute.
Dun, dun. Sorry, I'm like putting my head over it. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
There we go.
It's all right.
All right. Now we're going to do pink nose.
Pink nose.
This is Fat Daddy-O's fondant.
Fat Daddy-O's fondant.
Fat Daddy-O's makes fondant, and this tastes good too.
Well, so you say.
Right, I'm gonna give you a piece. Okay.
Also excellent.
Okay, so I just made a ball and cut it in half so that I have a little bit of a like rounded edge triangle. Right, I think that's right. Different animals have different noses. I'm doing this by memory, so if I make him look funky, sorry.
That's all right. One of our goals is to point and laugh, so
Right.
I think we're okay there. Now, why the different uses of different fondants? Preference, or you just had it, or what?
This is pre-colored,
Right?
so for a tiny amount that I want to use for a nose,
Yeah.
I prefer to dig into a small container
Gotcha.
and use it.
So basically,
and
it's what you had
not
on
have
hand.
to sit here and color
But it's not specific. You don't have to. If you happen to have a small piece of pink fondant,
Yeah, you can color
go for
it. This is all like
It's really good.
ease of use. They sent me a set to try, and I really like it.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Yeah, it's good.